So today I'm gonna be doing another pack opening. Well, I actually had nothing to do video on, so then I just decided to do a pack opening. So let's go straight into it. Alright, so in the first pack, usually the first pack we got no one. So let's just let's just save on club. Get this quickly over with. Go on another pack. Oh, okay. I see the luck building up. The luck's building up a bit, guys. So that oh shoot, I never knew I was gonna get such low money. And yeah, so this final pack, final pack, guys. So let's go, please do something good. Literally. Alright guys, so pretty much I've opened 3 packs just because I don't have enough more no more coins to open more packs. I'm sorry that I couldn't open more for like packs and stuff. And so yeah, so pretty much thanks for watching, guys. And on this channel I'm actually gonna be using my PS4 and my Elgato. So I'm going to be recording some GTA 5 videos now, some Advanced Warfare videos now. Sometimes I'm even going to go back to my PS3 and record like BO2 and stuff too. And maybe some FIFA 15 on PS4. So yeah guys, this was a pack opening video and like what I'm going to do in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. And peace.